Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamun Sorbet, only way. Start by freezing 3 cups of Jamun puree with 1 cup simple syrup and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, stirring every 30 minutes until partially set. Then churn in an ice cream maker or blend and refreeze for a smooth sorbet texture. Adjust sweetness to taste, add a pinch of salt to enhance flavor, and store in an airtight container for best results. Wash and hull 2 pounds of Jamun, then puree and strain to remove seeds for about 3 cups of juice. Mix with 1 cup sugar and 2 tablespoons lemon juice, tasting as you go. Chill the mixture well so the freezing process is faster and the sorbet becomes smoother. Use an ice cream maker for creamier texture or stir manually during freezing for a rustic, delightful Jamun sorbet experience every time. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this Jamun sorbet guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps us make more recipes you love. Also check out the product seen here. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion for kitchen timers and playlists. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Thanks for your support. Now let's get back to the video. Churn the chilled mix in an ice cream maker for 20 to 25 minutes until soft serve. Then transfer to a shallow container and freeze at least 3 hours to firm. For serving, let the sorbet rest 5 minutes at room temperature for easy scoops, garnish with mint or a lime squeeze, and pair with cookies or a light sparkling wine for contrast. These simple steps keep the Jamun flavor bright and texture perfectly smooth every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.